So welcome sa part 2 guys. So buksan na natin yung natitirang 12. Okay, simulan na natin. Bali ang hits pala dito yung manga inel na 128,000 yen. So most likely nasa 40,000 or higit. So simulan na natin. Okay, our second SR. Yun, sec ni Luffy. So manga chance. So manga tsaka SP chance. Our third SR. And rare lang ulit. So tingin ko hindi siya filter. Meron tayong hits, yung sec ni Luffy, and then tatlong SR. So normal lang siya, normal sec packs. So siguro yung ibang set like yung nakita ko yung OP14, baka doon most likely yung filtered. Pero other set I think, especially OP15, hindi siya filtered. So yun lamang guys. Salamat.